Okay, everyone, this is BeastWallet.X working for CarrionPublishing.NFT on this channel of AWS acting while shitless. I am pretty shitless right now because, I'm not trained in using my own YouTube studio or a series of videos. I was just tasked with creating content and making the content. Now I need to think of new content to make for myself, since I quit my job and moved halfway across the country into the heart of darkness, California. Uh, so what we're doing here is showing you the Shopify Starter Plan, which costs amazingly only $5 a month. Um, I needed to get this video up fairly quickly because, as you can see, there's a Spanish version already 4 days ago, right when I was starting to think about making this video here. Okay, so let's go over here. It's a basic setup for that. You get the basic storefront, but let's just go over to their page. Shopify Starter. Selling for starters. So this thing is brand spanking new. Like I said, only saw that one video for it posted 4 days ago in Spanish. So let's see all that it says over here. You can do the 5 month after a 14-day trial, $5 a month. Get started for free, of course. You can pretty much what it's for is just creating products to sell, and that is about it. You can tie it to analytics and everything like that to do campaigns for the products themselves, but for my particular purpose, I will show you why it's not going to work for me. Why I'm probably going to need to upgrade to at least the basic plan, which is $29 a month. Though I may have a workaround, so we'll see. In the comments down, you can tell me down below if you like it or not. So you jump straight to selling, want to sell, but don't have a brand or website yet? No problem. Just add an image and slick description of the product or the service you're selling, and you're ready to go. So sell shirts and coffee cups and blah blah blah. It's also powered for social stuff. So you got Facebook and YouTube and Instagram and Pinterest and Discord, TikTok, and WhatsApp. I believe that's all that is. Or that Twitch. It might be Twitch. I haven't used Twitch myself. Um, And then there's a thing that they have here to make another social connection here. Link pop. Basically, you can post a button on things to a link to continue to check out to your Shopify store. Order management, analytics, customer support. So you still get support from Shopify as well. You still get to see your analytics from Google Shopping or Facebook. Of course, filling orders as normal. I still get a nice dashboard. And I went looking through it a little bit more, and it was pretty nice. What I'm trained on is a Shopify Plus store. To get that, you have to make a certain amount in sales every year or so, whatever the metric was. And well, for starters, of course, you're not going to get that, so you are not able to get Shopify Plus. Grows to go hashtag to cash bags. Oh yeah, upgrade whenever you need to. And then the FAQs. So I already signed up. It's basic sign up stuff. Use an email or Google or Apple to sign in. You give them all the basic stuff in a terms and conditions, firstborn, blood of your mother, and social security number, stuff like that. So I've already gone through it, and I am here at my homepage here. So say you have orders, of course, don't have any orders, draft orders, abandoned checkouts. That's always a great thing because in the marketing section, automatically, um, Shopify has abandoned checkout. So that's a great thing. And gosh, we got in my old store, we got quite a high conversion rate for abandoned checkouts. So it was a great thing to know that it's now automated already here by Shopify. That's pretty good. So we're at orders, products. This is where you'd go to add a product, just like any other Shopify plan. It's all pretty basic here. Pretty much everything through here looked about the same. Um, Adding customers and all that. Everything looked about the same compared to a Shopify Plus. To do Shopify Balance. Oh yeah, this is some cool thing. Where they hold on to my money essentially, and I can pay through what they have here. Pay for purchase orders and things like that. Billing, of course. Now, see, this is what I really came for. This is what I came for, and I think this is the thing that is going to make me need to upgrade to the basic plan, which it may not actually be. This may be something else. I'll get to that in a second. But this is what I really wanted to work with. Payouts, of course, keep track of your payouts when you have them. Analytics, this looks exactly the same as my Shopify Plus. This looked just fine. It's got everything that you needed over here. So today's total sales, of course, you can go through different periods. Total sales, sessions. Is that just me? It might be. Returning customer rate, of course, conversion rate, added to cart, reach checkout, sessions converted, average order value compared to your costs versus gross, total orders over time, sessions by device type, by location, traffic source, social source. Yeah, all this is very good stuff. I don't know if I've visited the site 29 times over the past 30 days, so maybe. I don't know. More report sections. This is what I always use to keep track of inventory. So, okay, here we go. More report stuff. Doesn't look like it has everything that I used to get. See, view upgrade options, so you can get more. So once you upgrade, you can get better reportings. Marketing. This is where we used to set up campaigns for email campaigns, because we had a email capture program for customer discount signups, that sort of thing. That was fairly successful as well. Automations. Okay, yeah, here we are at the abandoned checkout recovery. Discounts for any of your products. You can do discounts as well. Grading discounts seem to be fairly simple for my immediate boss. He was able to create discounts willy-nilly for customers in the store or anything else like that. So, not sales channels, but I think I do have my Facebook integrated. Online store. See, this is the main issue that I have right here. CarrionPublishing.NFT. That's what this thing is. CarrionPublishing.NFT. I'm supposed to be publishing written works, audio works, visual works, all that sort of stuff. If I can't post anything on this, then I'd have to post them somewhere else. But the token gating that comes with SingleMusic, this guy up here that I'll show you in a second, all that goes to product pages or pages, just pages. Well, crap, man. I can make products. Working on Notebook. Apparently, I didn't like my image all the way, but there you go. Oh, I went too far now. Okay. But, yeah, see, I can get this, and let's continue then. Back. Media. Yeah, that's what it was. Let's go with that. All right. Yeah, main mockup image. Oh crap! I lost my thing. Shit. All right. Well, Notebook homepage. Okay. All right. So this being after the fact NFT sort of deal. Let's say $4. Because one thing with Shopify Starter Plan, hey, what was it? Let's see. Do you have it here? Do you have it listed here? 5%. Transaction fees are 5% when you use Shopify payments. So, I'm sorry, I do need to make back a little bit of my 5%. Let's say, all right, that sounds good to me. All right, submitting to store. Haha, are you still doing it, or is it going to show up? Oh, hey, there it is. No, I don't want it active. Goodness. Okay, cool. So I can, I forgot to, I can edit everything here. So that's fantastic. One thing to do is, of course, create a nice little title. Heading 2 is always good for little titles. I would normally write quite a lot of material on these product pages. I'm not too sure if there is a limit. I'm not sure if I've seen a limit. Alright, let's just go with that. So, it does drafted. Okay. $25. Inventory Printful. Sure, cool, yeah. 8 ounces. I don't know exactly where it's coming from, so whatever. So I have an actual product listed now. Let's go over to Single. This is, let me just show you here, apps. You can still get apps, but this is the reason. Oh, let me show you this part here. Actually, let's go ahead and end this video because it's a little long. I don't know if it's going to even save. That would suck. So, 22 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and end it right now. Let's begin another video.